I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting essentials in place. Install Node.js and a simple editor, but don't linger, start coding. Once set, create small programs that use variables, functions, arrays, and objects to see behavior. Make sure to run code in Node and the browser console so you feel both environments. Try 10 tiny tasks that combine loops, conditionals, and basic DOM access. This forces pattern recognition. This hands-on route teaches the how and shows why each primitive matters. You now dig into the middle, scope, hoisting, and closures. Write functions that return functions so you feel closure memory. Once done with closures, explore prototypes and classes. Compare prototype chains to class syntax to understand inheritance. Make sure to test this in different call sites so unexpected bindings stop surprising you. Then practice asynchronous flows. Start with callbacks, convert to promises, and finish with async/await using fetch. Seeing the evolution clarifies why async patterns exist. You wrap up by building a focused project that ties DOM manipulation, event handling, and an API call together. This completes the learning cycle. Once the project runs, debug systematically. Use console logs for quick checks, set breakpoints to inspect state, and read error stacks to find the root cause. If something breaks, first check variable scope and missing await calls, then simple typos. A single misplaced semicolon or closure bug usually explains most failures, so fix there first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.